4.5 Conservation of Momentum 3. In the last lesson, we figured out the final velocity when we have an inelastic collision. In this lesson, we will figure out the final velocity when we have elastic collisions. With elastic collisions, we need to know the final velocity of one object to figure out the final velocity of the other one. Here's an example. We have a truck crashing into a car. We want to find the final velocity of the car. So just like the last lesson, first we find the momentum of the truck and the car. So the truck, the mass is 1,000 kilograms. The velocity is 5 to the right. So the momentum is going to be 1,000 times 5, which gives us 5,000 to the right. Okay. Similarly, the car, 800 kilograms. The velocity is 2.0 meters per second to the right. So the momentum of the car, we use little p because that's momentum. Big P is power. So the mass is going to be 800 kilograms times 2.0 meters per second to the right. That's 1,600 kilograms meters per second to the right. So the total momentum is going to be, they're both going to the right, so we just add. (6,600 kilograms meters per second to the right. Momentum is conserved, so the final momentum has to also be 6,600 kilograms meters per second to the right, because momentum is conserved. Okay. Next, so we know the final momentum, we know the total momentum. What's the final momentum of the truck? We know it's going at 3.4 meters per second to the right. So mass is 1,000 kilograms. Velocity is 3.4 meters per second. So momentum is going to be 1,000 kilograms times 3.4 meters per second to the right, which gives us 3,400 kilograms meters per second to the right. Okay, so we know the final momentum of the truck. The total momentum we got here in step 2 is 6,600 kilograms meters per second to the right. Well, if the total is 6,600 and the momentum of the truck is 3,400, they're both going to the right. Then we know that the momentum of the car is just going to be 6,600 minus 3,400. The final momentum of the car has to be 3,200 kilograms meters per second to the right. And it makes sense, they're both going to the right. So now that we know the momentum of the car, which is 3,200 kilograms meters per second to the right, the mass of the car is still 800 kilograms. We have m, we have p. We can use that to find v. Okay. So p equals mv. So 3,200 equals 800 times v. Divide both sides by 800. And we get 4 equals v. So the final velocity of the car is 4 meters per second to the right. And that makes sense. After being hit from behind by the truck, the car should be going faster. Before it was 2, now it's 4. And that's it. That's the final velocity.